Good morning, guys. I'm Evan. Welcome to my new channel. I'm gonna be doing lawnmower videos on my lawnmower. Okay, so it's Yard Pro LT 12.5. It's got 12.5 horsepower. I think that's all I gotta say for it. Well, what we just did was put a new starter on it. So it's an electric start. We put a new solenoid in it right there. I think that's all. So, what do you say? Take it for a few laps. Let's do it. Alright, how was that? Okay, so another thing I did was I took a bike brake here. We had to get a new cable, but it's just bike brake cable. So I attached it to the steering wheel. Then we ran it down where the old throttle was. Then it comes down here, up over here to the throttle spot. But if I want choke, I have to push the choke in. But that's fine. So yeah, give this video a like if you liked me spitting gravel. Hopefully I spit gravel. I'm pretty sure I did. That's all. Right now I actually don't have the hood on, as you saw already. Here, let me just show you the hood. This is the hood. So it's the Yard Pro LT 12.5. Yeah. Ugh. Yep. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.